Hello guys and welcome back to the new video. Today I'll show you how you can make this animation in After Effects, and in previous lesson I showed how you can make this blinking eye. So the tutorial is already on my YouTube channel and the project file is already in my Discord server as well, so you can download it. It's absolutely for free. But it's not even necessary because today I'll show you the main technique, these waves, so you can make it even without this project file. Let's get into it. Okay guys, I'll start from this point and I'll show you how you can get this eye from the mask. But if you want to see already how I'm making these waves, I will attach the timecode in the description or comments, so you can just get into this part. So now we will try to get this eye from this mask. So guys, I have this pre-composed eye and I will get into it. I need to get the main eye from here, so I'm copying it and I want it to be right here. Also I need to reorder these shapes, so it will be something like that. Yeah, so we have the same but without the mask. Now I'm going to pre-compose it, so let's make a pre-compose and it will be like a without mask. Okay, for example, we want to get our eye from the mask somewhere here, so when it's opening. So let's cut it. I'm pressing Ctrl+Shift+D, and from this point we will have our eye, and from this point we need to cut it out, so we will have something like that. But we also need to save our mask, so what we need to do, we just need to get into this composition and also copy here the mask. I will also pre-compose it, so it will be like a mask here. So we will cut it also, and this composition I will remove, so we have now something like that. So we have separately our mask and our eye, but it's already not inside our mask. So, and from this point we want to take our eye, so let's get into keyframe position, and for example I want it to be somewhere here, and let's find keyframe interpolation. Here we need to find the bezier and also we need to find this icon. So I want the path be like this, and also we will change the scale for it. So let's make it something like this, I guess, and it will be enough. Also guys, I'm getting the composition without mask, and I need to find here position. I want to remove all these positions here, keyframe, so we don't need it. And from here I also want to make the rotation, additional rotation for it. So let it be something like that. We will fix it if we will need some changings. Okay, we need to find the point where we have our eye standing, and from this point guys we need to remove this mask. We can change the opacity here, for example, or we can try to even make the mask for it. And let's create the keyframe for our mask path, and from this point we will make it like this. So I will make the keyframes easy ease and increase the mask feather to make it looks not so rough. So it will be something like this, and it will be in this way, and from this point we will have our waves. So let's draw it. I'm using my pen tool. I'm creating the path like a rectangle, so we have something like this now. And let's adjust our gradients here so you can see how it looks. You can see the code of this color, but you can just change and select any color you want. Okay, for example, let it be like this. I will drag it under my eye. Okay, let it be somewhere here. So, and we need to find the wave warp effect. So here we need to select these properties, like wave height 20, width about 140, and you can mention that it's not very clear and like similar from one side to another, so we need to find the mirror and just to place it here. Here we need to change the direction to -90 and here to 90. So now it looks like this. And guys, I think we want to appear these waves somewhere here, so let's be in this point, for example. Okay, I need to cut this part from here, and here we will also make the mask for it. Make sure you chose the tool creatures mask, and let's create the mask for us. Okay, let's choose the subtract mode, and here mask pass, and from this point we need to move our pass from this to this. And to make it also looks not so rough, I'd like to increase the mask feather here, so maybe something like this. We will also adjust our keyframes. Maybe we will need to make it faster, I don't know. Now guys, I'd like to propose to you to duplicate this layer, and we will make one more here, and let's change the color on a little bit lighter. So for example, like this. You can choose any color you want and make it much more better than me. So we will have something like this now. We can also make it width a bit more. So now we have like this. So we just need to duplicate our main wave, and we just need to change its properties. So just adjust these waves for yourself. For example, let's be like this, and I want to change the color, for example, in this way, or you can make even, for example, just white. So you can select any color you want. And one more duplication, and let's make it, I guess it will be fine. And maybe one more time and make here closer to the white color, something like this. So guys, now you can see how it looks. It looks pretty good, but maybe it's not perfect. Let's adjust our keyframes here, and I'd like to make it, one moment, I need to find where we have our waves. So it's somewhere here, yeah. So let's be maybe a little bit faster. And guys, I also want to select all these keyframes, and I guess we will place it somewhere here. Also, we can even make it in this way, so it will pierce separately. Let's see how it looks. So I think now it looks better. So guys, with this technique you can make a lot of different projects for yourself. So guys, let's pre-compose all these layers. So guys, after we pre-composed all these waves, we need to find the glow effect. So if you have deep glow, it will be even better, but it's not even necessary, because we can just make adjustments with our main regular glow. So I want to increase the radius here, and maybe to reduce the glow threshold, so it will look something like this, I guess, or even like this. And I really like how it looks. What will be if we duplicate it? I don't know, need to play with it more time. So I think we will remove this one and just leave it as it is now. And guys, let me know what you think in the comments. I think it looks pretty well. Maybe we will increase the eye rotation here, so make it maybe 4 or 5 here, I don't know, or maybe make it very fast, I don't know, maybe like 10. But our wave speed isn't so high. So by the way guys, you can adjust your wave speed. So you have this property here, you can make it much more faster. And guys, you can make some waves faster than others. For example, the waves from this side will be slower than the waves in middle part. So you can play with it, and you can make it much more better than me. As I said, I just showed you the main techniques and principles for it. And guys, there are almost 1000 subscribers on my YouTube channel, and that's crazy. I really appreciate you all. Thank you for your likes, subscribes, and especially for comments, because I really like to watch how I bring some value to people. So thank you so much guys. And this project file, as I said, will be in my Discord server, so you can download it. It's absolutely for free, and we'll see you soon in the next video. Goodbye.